Okay. Hi everyone. I'm making this video again yet on public demand where people ask me in this lockdown situation they need to make videos for their children as a teacher. So there are lots of apps like right now you can see on my screen there is Wondershare Filmora, there is Adobe Photo editors, there is Adobe Premiere, there is Adobe After Effects. There are many. These are the paid ones, but we don't require that heavy editing. So and it requires the resources of the PC also. You need to have a very strong PC. But there is a small app which is excellently doing this work, and the basic needs are already available. So you just click here video editor, and you see here video editor app is there. It's already installed in most of the computers. So when you click on this, you will see these ABC and new video. These are my old projects, so whatever editing I have done already will be shown over here. Right now we'll not get into that. We'll just go to create a new project. So I will click on new project, and it is asking me to name this new project. I'll name it as 123 and hit OK. Now you see 123 project has been started. Now this is the place where you have to add some videos or photos you want to use in your video making. So I'll click on add. I'm going to select some photos. So this is a language diff video. I'll enter this. Now you see this video has got added. Now I'll add some pictures. This is a picture I want to add. See, picture has got added. In case you want some from internet, you can directly go to Google search and search for whatever photos you want. Suppose say school. So I go to images and I search some photos, like this is the photo I want. Suppose I'll right click on save image as, and I'm going to save this image in the downloads folder. So I am saving it. Now again I go to this photo editor. I click on add from this PC. Now this is the photo we just now downloaded. So I'll double click on it and you see this photo. So like that, whatever resources you want, whatever photos and videos you want, audio also with whatever you want, you can add over here. Once that is done, you just have to drag and drop. This bottom storyboard is the place where the video you have to align. Now suppose this is the one I want at the starting. Then this video I want, so I'll drag and drop. And this I want photo, I'll drag and drop. So now once they have aligned, they have been aligned. You see here now they've been aligned one after the other. You can go here and check how they will look like. So this is the video start. I can play from here. As it does not have the audio, and the next one has the audio, so it's going accordingly. So in case you want a background sound to this, here it is background music. You can add custom music. You can click and you can download MP3s and you can add from there, like YouTube and all. You can download your any sound music and then you can add it to this. If you want to give any title to this slide, now this is a slide you want to give any title, so you can select this slide first, then go to text, and on this slide whichever font you want, like suppose say this holiday. So I'll select holiday, and whatever I want to type, say A B C D. You can see right now the font is getting added over here. So whichever font you want, you can choose, and that font will appear over here. Once it is done, click on done. Here you can see you can adjust the title also, from where to where you want ABCD to appear. Suppose you want it only at the starting, so select like only at the starting, so it will appear only here, and once it appears here it will disappear. So you can select whichever way you want. If you want throughout, just select entire thing and click done. Now this has the title. If you want this, again you click here, again select text, and you can add those titles. Now apart from this, if you want to edit this video, now the first one, the second one were just photos. In case you want to add edit this, so you can see here trim is there and split is there. Trim is when you want to add starting and ending point. So here if I want to change this starting point and this ending point I want to change, I can make that change, and I can I'll just do the change. So once it's done, it's being added. Now remember that this video has been cropped, not this one. This is the original video. So if you place this video again back here, this will be, see, 4 minutes 29 seconds, and this is only 1 minute 24 seconds. So in case you want to cut a video, you can do that also, and you can repeat the videos also as many times as you want. Now in this, if you want to split, so you can click here split, and this place it from where you want to split. Split is cutting it into two parts. So I click on done. Now you see the video has been cut into two parts. This is 2 minutes 31 seconds. This is 1 minute 57 seconds. So you can cut it accordingly. You can have different features like filters and all. You can go ahead and add. You see some layers and some filters like in Instagram you have. So those kind of filters you can add. 3D effects is the place where you can add 3D. It will just take a little while to appear those 3D effects. Now this leaves, if you want to add, you see these leaves have appeared here. So if you and there is a sound also. So in case you don't want that sound, you can reduce it to 0. And if you see, and I play that, how will it look like? You see so like that, any effects you want, there are lots of effects over here. Okay, so there are lots of effects in this. You can just try them out. Click on 3D. It will take a little while for loading, and you see lots of effects are there. You can choose amongst. If you want, you can search here. There's a 3D library. There are lots of effects which you can add to this. After this, then comes the speed. If you want to increase the speed of the video or decrease of the speed of the video. Once all that editing is done, remember you can save this in between wherever you want. And suppose I want to work tomorrow, so I'll just click on this save. Like you already saw when we started the video, there were 2 video editing which were still waiting. So later also you can edit. It's not like once you start you cannot end. Once you have done this, then you click on finish video. When you click on finish video, it will ask you which quality you want. There are 3 qualities: high, medium, low. As the name suggests, if you have a high quality video की size बहुत बड़ी हो जाएगी. In WhatsApp you cannot send a very high size video. So depending on that, you have to select high, medium, low. Already it is showing that 1080p is a very high resolution, body image, medium and low. I would recommend to go for a medium one in case you want to use it for a laptop, and low if you want to just use it on a mobile phone. So these 2 options are better. In case you want on a big large screen you want to display, then high you can choose. Once you click on whichever option, then click on export, and after that it will ask you where you want to save this video. So I'll click on desktop, and I click on, remember the name is 123. You can choose any name you want and click on export. Now here you see the video is getting exported. It will take a while depending on your speed of the computer. At times if the video is too long, it may take lots of time. So wait for that to happen, and once it is done, then the video will be saved on the desktop. All the effect, animations, cut, trim, whatever text you have added, all that will be added into one video. Now this video will be the final video. Thank you all of you.